Hi Mama. Today, we're talking about the main parts of a manual breast pump and how each part works so you can pump comfortably and effectively. Step 1. Breast Shield. The breast shield, also called the funnel, is the part that goes over your breast. It collects milk from your nipple and directs it into the bottle. Make sure it fits comfortably. A good fit helps with better milk flow. Step 2. Bottle. The bottle is where your expressed milk collects. Always make sure it's clean and attached tightly to the funnel. This prevents leaks and keeps your milk safe. Step 3. Valve. The valve is a small piece at the bottom of the funnel. It creates suction that draws milk from your breast. Check that it's in place and free of any cracks or tears. Step 4. Handle. The handle is what you squeeze to pump. It creates the vacuum needed to express milk. Start gently and find a rhythm that feels comfortable for you. Step 5. Membrane, optional. Some pumps have a silicone membrane that helps maintain suction. Make sure it's properly attached if your pump has one. Step 6. Connector/adapter. This connects the funnel to the bottle. It ensures a tight seal, so milk flows smoothly into the bottle without leaking. Final tips. Always wash your hands and clean all parts before and after each use. Check that every part is properly assembled to make pumping safe and effective. Thanks for watching, Mama. With a clean, properly assembled pump, expressing milk can be easy and comfortable.